As we open up the device, we have the top and bottom camera. We could zoom in on each of the cameras. We can shut the light off, and we have a cog over here. And these are all the settings in the camera. I can't go through every single detail of the camera, but we have the intelligent algorithm, we have motion, human, intrusion, area, and more. We have a night vision mode. This allows you to put into the SDXC card the amount of information each one will do differently of the unit. We could rotate the camera. Definitely we want to rotate it 180 degrees. And now when we look at our footage, we should be correctly. We could speak. We're going to hear reverb. We could come and take a picture. We could take a photo. We have the light and we have the PTZ zone, so we could move the camera up and down. You could get notified via the mobile app through your smartphone worldwide. You could zoom in and look around. An excellent security camera. What we're going to do is show you how to set up and hook up. Download the application, plug in your camera, and you have a QR symbol in the phone. You could connect it wirelessly, manually, and things up. Allow the camera to do its routine checkup and start to do your installation of the software. You have red and blue, that's your pairing light. In your application, you have a plus. You have a QR symbol over here, simply scan. Device is online, please, okay, edit device, confirm, and it downloads. Device name can be anything you want. Name it, confirm. Press on it, and you're ready to hook up. This is as easy as it's going to get. If you run into complications, there are other steps to follow. In this demonstration, only on a cable. If this was an Ethernet cable, we have here is the end cap, slides on. We have here is a washer that goes on as well. We have a foam washer that goes on as well. And you're going to now take this end cap, you're going to slide it over, press in so that it locks into place. Take the O-ring, slide it over, and lock on. And once you lock this all on, you're ready for your wired connection if you're using an Ethernet. You come over to the Ethernet side, you remove the plastic silicone, and then you simply put on, twist and lock. And that is the Ethernet indicator of working. This is a 2.4 gigahertz only camera, power supply of 110 volt AC, indoors only. Take the cable, plug in with the extension for outdoors as well. You have X amount of feet that plugs into the other end that you can run through a wall. You're going to find a spot for your security camera and you're going to secure down. Run your lead, use an extension, plug it into your area. We have a few ways to mount the unit. You can mount it vertical, horizontal, you could put it sideways and portrait, depending on the way you like. We have a few ways to mount in the unit. As you can see, this is a different way. And we have everything all set up. Hello, can I help you? So we have the unit, you can hear us talk. You can see we could look at the street depending on the angles we want. And we're all set up to go. We have one stationary and one moving. We can have it turn into a landscape mode so we can see differently and all the controls. Anywhere around the world, through the app, You can see your house secured, take care of business, talk, whatnot. Looking at the camera, you can see it is night and it's black and white. You zoom down and see the trees. And night vision could be colored, black and white, as shown. ZOSI, smart security camera, worldwide. 2 cameras in one with a siren, LED light, record video, and more. I hope this is the product that you are looking for. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.